Cindy Jones. I'm with American Benefits. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. Great. Now, I am with American Benefits, and based on our record, it shows that you may qualify for state regulated final expense insurance plan that's going to cover 100% of your funeral, burial, and cremation expense. Are you between the ages of 50 and 80 years old?
Why, yes, I am.
How old are you?
I'm 75.
Alrighty, this is all the information that I need. Now, let me go ahead and
Okay.
process this real quick in my computer.
Okay.
Okay, looks like that you are qualifying just fine.
Oh, just
Hold
fine.
on, and let me get one of my insurance specialists on the phone, okay?
You got it. You got it. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. Thank you so much for holding on. This is Chrisopher Brown. I'm the License State Coordinator with Security National Life Insurance. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm blessed, man. Thank you so much
You're
for asking.
blessed.
Well,
That's so good. Okay.
hi, can I ask your name? Whom I'm talking to?
Oh, absolutely. This is my first name's Tiny.
Tiny. All right.
T-I-N-Y.
What's your last name?
Dancer. D-A-N-C-E-R. Dancer. Tiny Dancer.
Is that your real name?
Yes, of course that's my real name. You think I'd make
All
something
right.
like
All right.
that up?
No, 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 no. I mean, that's a very beautiful name.
It
Okay.
is. Tiny Dancer.
So, Ms. Dan, I'll introduce myself one more time properly. I work over here as a state coordinator. Means I'm going to help you identify which insurance plans you can qualify for. Meanwhile, including all the benefits and the promotions that's available for you according to your age in your state. Could you verify your zip code for me?
Yes, it's 98007.
Okay. Bellevue, Washington, right?
Well, yes, you got that right.
Okay. How's the weather over there?
Weather is just awesome. It's just great. Just dandy.
Mm-hmm. King County. Okay. That's a beautiful place. What we can do for you, ma'am, I will, as I told you, mentioned, I work with the state coordinator. Means I have the authority to show you the best carriers in your state that can provide you with the lowest rate possible. Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any questions or queries, you can ask me. I'll be more than happy to assist you. All right, Miss Dancer.
All right.
Tell me, let me ask you this: do you already have an insurance policy on your name, or probably this is going to be your first one?
Oh, yes, this is my first one because I'm only 75.
Okay. God bless your health, ma'am.
God
You don't
bless
sound like
you. God bless you.
that. No, honestly speaking, I never figured you were 75.
Oh,
You sound
yes,
quite young.
yes. Well, it's because
Mm-hmm.
75 is
What?
very young. It's quite young. Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. What's your date of birth, Tiny?
Oh, my date of birth is
Mm-hmm.
April 20th, 1947.
And are you single, married, or divorced?
Oh, I'm a widow. Why?
Oh,
Are you interested?
no, I was just trying to figure out if there is a
Because you wouldn't
family
be the
or
first
someone.
knocking on my door, you know.
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry to hear about that. You're a widow. Okay. So,
Oh,
how
I
long
know.
ago
It's a
your
good
husband passed
thing.
away?
Oh, no. Are you kidding me? The best day of my life was when he died. I'm telling you, he was a horrible husband. So, oh, no, I'm
Mm-hmm.
very happy. So, like I say, if you're interested, I'm single and ready to mingle.
Mm-hmm. All right. I hope you got someone to take care for you. No worries. So what we can do for you is try to show you the lowest rate possible, what you can get according to your age, that is 75. Okay. So let me ask you this thing to make you qualify for all the promotions. Uh, I hope you do have a regular banking account, a regular checking or a savings account.
Of course I do.
Okay. And do you smoke, Miss Dancer? Any
No, I
nicotine
don't.
products?
I don't smoke anymore. I used to smoke my Pall Malls, but then I lost a lung, so I don't can't smoke them anymore.
Mm-hmm. All right. All right. Well, that's a good thing you could, because there are some, you can say, probably good discounts to the people who do not smoke in your
Oh,
state,
I don't
especially
know.
I can say in
I don't know
County
about that.
Washington.
I don't know.
No, I'm being honest, because these are actually the state-approved plans, which are designed to cover 100% of your burial, cremation, or any of the final expenses. And mostly these claims are paid out to your family within 24 hours of notification. So I'm going to look out for all the insurance companies, because we're now working with just one insurance company. There are probably a lot of insurance companies. I'm going to look out for you who can offer you the lowest and the cheapest, monthly premium.
Okay.
All right. So let's see, we're here for you. I got your date. Now I'm going to ask you some things regarding your health. All right, because your health probably is the most important factor. So
Yes, yes. But
God
I'm
bless.
only
What
75.
minor? Mm-hmm. I can figure. Well, probably like according to your health, ma'am, Miss Dancer. God bless you.
Well, it's just, I mean, I did lose that one lung, but other than that, I seem to be in tippity top shape.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. How long ago you lost that line?
Oh, I don't know. It was about, I don't know. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, maybe.
7 years back.
Oh, that yeah, at least.
All right. All right. That's a long time ago. That's fine.
Oh
Well,
yeah.
probably if I talk about right now in the current condition, do you have any major or minor health issue?
Oh no, no. Like I say, other than losing the lung. Oh, I did lose my
Mm-hmm.
foot. I lost my foot last year because of my diabetes. But
Oh,
yeah.
due to
But that's it.
due to
Other than
diabetes?
that, I'm in tip-top shape.
Oh, okay. All right. So what we can do for you is try to look out for the best interest in your. And how much of a policy would you be interested in to see the options for, Tiny? Like you
Oh,
want to see the options for 10,000, 20,000?
well, I don't know. I mean, I was fixing just to get buried right, next to to my favorite cat when I was a kid, just in the backyard.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna be
All
me,
right.
me and Pussy.
Probably. Like, these days the cost of expense has probably gone a bit high. So
But
probably more than
definitely
like,
high. You
what,
got it.
you
High.
know what I mean, according to every state,
Yeah, yeah,
according
high.
to every.
That's high.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So roughly, if I talk about your current scenario of your health, I know you're in good health condition. God bless you.
God
How
bless.
tall are you, Miss
God
Dancer?
bless me. I'm sorry. What's that,
How
shithead?
tall? How tall are you?
Oh, I'm 5'11".
You're 5'11". All right. And how much do you weigh?
I weigh 132 pounds.
132
I still
pounds.
look good in a bikini. Believe it or not, that's what I'm saying. You
Still, I
know.
would love to see you in this. I would
Yeah,
love to see you
see?
in a bikini. Uh
I
huh.
had a feeling you were interested in me. I had a feeling about you. Yes, I did.
Uh huh. Yep. Maybe one day I could visit that. Western Coast. Actually, I'm in North Carolina, Charlotte. So maybe one day. My uncle used to live in Vancouver. I've been to Vancouver, but not on the U.S. side, west part. I wish I could see Seattle. You've been to Seattle?
I've been there a couple times in my life,
Uh huh.
only for very, very
Oh, it's
special occasions, though.
oh, okay. So right. So what about your family? I mean, any family you got?
Oh, my family? No,
Mm-hmm.
no, they're pretty much all dead. I mean, I have
Mm-hmm.
some
Any kids?
family. I have some family, but like I have this weird uncle. I have this weird uncle,
Mm-hmm.
Uncle Tommy, but he's just weird. I don't talk to him really anymore because he's just kind of weird. But yeah, no,
Mm-hmm.
so I don't know. I guess it's just pretty much me.
It's all you.
Yeah.
And what? I mean, no kids. Okay, all right. I thought your husband, you had a
You just
family.
my shitty
So,
husband. Well, I didn't want to have a kid with him because he was just a idiot. He was just as
uh-huh.
dumb, 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 dumb. God, he was dumb.
What wrong did he did to you?
Oh, he was
I'm
just
sorry to ask.
dumb. I mean, he was just dumb. But it was one of those,
Oh, I see.
prearranged marriages.
Oh,
Yeah.
still in this era? Still in this
Well,
era?
it was like prearranged from our parents because
Mm-hmm.
we were crossed over in India when I was a child, and I guess it was some kind of agreement they made for a couple of goats or something like that. I don't know. Daddy needed a couple of extra goats, and so somehow they promised that I would marry their son, and he's just an idiot. Well, he was an idiot. Now he's a dead idiot.
Okay. All right. Sorry to hear about that. So, you got no kids with him. So, whom you gonna name the beneficiary for this policy?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know actually.
Okay.
Probably my cousin Sam.
All right. All right. That's a
Yeah,
good
probably
option. That's
him.
a good option.
He
So,
seems
Miss
to be
Dante, if
like a
I ask
nice
from
young
your end,
fellow. What?
so I was just asking you. I mean, do you receive social security check or any kind of disability checks?
Oh yes, I do. I do. I do receive those checks. Yes.
So, if I ask from your end, if I talk about a policy for you, obviously there is going to be a monthly premium that you have to pay every month. How
Every
much could
month.
you easily
Okay.
afford?
Okay.
So if I ask frankly from your end, how much could you easily afford every month? Like you can tell me that you can afford a $50 package, $70, $80, or $100.
Oh, probably $50.
Okay. All right. Well, that's good to me because I'm gonna look for something that you can afford between $50 to $70 a month. That will be okay.
Probably
Good.
40 to 50.
Okay. Probably 40 to 50. I'm gonna look for that. Well, in that scenario, let me see if I can offer you a $5,000 policy for the state of Washington. Yep, that's a good thing. If you choose a $5,000 policy, Ms. Dante, today, like in the date of 15 September 2022, we can go ahead and lock down the rate for you. That is going to be around like $55 a month. Can you afford it?
Oh, sure I can. I can afford a lot more than that.
All right, all right. I can. I mean, this was a $5,000 policy. If you want, I
Okay.
can look for a 6,000. I can look for a 6,000 as well and tell you the numbers that this is your affordability. You can tell me, all right?
Well, I don't know. Like I say, I'm just gonna be buried out and back next to my cat. Well, my childhood cat,
Yeah,
Pussy.
yeah, probably. I mean, you should. That's the thing. I mean, you have that thing in mind, but that's a good thought because you can leave behind some funds for the ones who gotta bury you, so that they won't have to spend that from their own pocket. I mean, you
Oh,
should
I
be
was gonna
proud
say
enough that
dig
you
the
have
hole
like
for him.
exactly, exactly.
I was gonna
Alongside that, there
dig a
are.
hole.
So I'm gonna ask you one more time. What's the good option for you? You can afford $55. Should I lock that rate for you, or do you want me to go a bit high? Like if you go for a 6,000,
Don't get
you
high, honey. That's
can.
not good for you. No, that's fine. That's just fine, shithead. Let's stick with that.
Okay, let's stick with $5,000 policy. So I'm gonna confirm it one more time for you. Let me take a note of this one. All right.
You
Hold on a
take a
minute.
note. You
Do
do
you have
that.
a pen? Do you have a pen and a paper, Miss Dancer?
Do I have a pen and a paper?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hold on just a minute. Let me find one.
Sure. 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 Grab one.
Okay, I got one now.
All right. Miss
Right,
Dancer,
right, right,
the
right, right,
policy.
right, right, right. Yes.
Oh, okay. Miss Gerber, you are going for a $5,000 policy, a death benefit policy for yourself. All right.
Yes.
And for that your monthly premium, it is going to be approximately $55 a month.
Alrighty.
All right.
That's good,
One
shithead.
more part. Mm-hmm. This plan that we're going to lock it for you, this is going to be a guaranteed plan for the rest of your life. The benefit that I told you all about, there are some more additional benefits as well alongside the policy, right? I'll tell you those as well. You can enjoy the benefits of retail discounts, legal services, dental and vision programs, pharmacy programs, lab and imaging services, as well as hearing aids. So all of these extra benefits will be available to you from day one of your coverage at no additional cost. You got my point?
I got your point, yes, and I'm glad because a hearing aid, because I can barely hear you, so I'm definitely glad there's going to be hearing aid covered on that.
Sure, ma'am. I mean, telling you, this is something that state has designed for you. It's not
Right.
designed by me or by any other company. So there are alongside some great benefits for you.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So we do not require any kind of physical exam from your end, no blood testing. We don't need to send you to the doctor for any reason or have a nurse come out to your house for any checkup. So
Okay.
this policy will also work as a savings account for you. Like it will keep on generating cash value for you, and that cash value will be tax free, so you can access it at any time in any kind of emergencies. That's your own personal account. All
Sounds
right.
good, shithead.
All right. So, with your proper consent and your permission, Ms. Dancer, do you want me to go ahead and lock out this rate for you so that we can confirm out this policy for you in today's date?
Go ahead, shithead.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for your approval. And I want you to say, I mean, do you acknowledge that?
Acknowledge what, shithead?
All the policy details I just mentioned to you, your monthly premium, $5,000 policy.
I think so.
That's it. All right. Thank you, ma'am, for approving that. Could you verify your social security number? That goes right direct on your policy.
Oh, absolutely. The last four are 2256.
Uh, I'm sorry, you have to tell me the whole complete nine digits.
Oh, no, I can't do that. You could never give out your social security number to somebody over the phone.
Well, actually, I am the licensed agent, ma'am. I can give you my license number as well if you want that, because we
Okay,
are
how about
actually on a
you give me your
recorded line.
social security number? How about that?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Go on. Write it
All
down.
right. What's your social security number, honey?
Give me a second. 374
374
642
643.
642.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that sounds really legitimate. Okay. All right.
746. That's my social security number. You
Right.
know why
Oh,
I'm giving you that?
why? Why, honey? Why?
Because I trust you. And honestly speaking, ma'am, no one can do nothing with anyone's social security number in these days. This is actually a digital media time, so no one can do nothing
Oh,
without
yeah.
anyone's approval, without anyone's consent.
Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised you asked me this thing. You know, normally people, our customers, they do understand all the points. I mean, probably this is your first policy, that's why you're a bit shy. It's okay, I never mind. I love to explain these things to my customer.
You love it. Okay. I'm glad you love it.
It's fine. So, how about that?
How
Can
about
I
that?
continue?
Okay.
Are you easy? Are you relaxed to provide me with your social security number?
No, I told you, shithead. No. I'm not going to give you my social.
Now you're being rude.
No, I'm not.
I think you are.
No. I would never be rude to you, shithead.
Why are you calling me that? Okay, goodbye.
Oh, I'm sorry. I get you. Yeah, okay. I just. Oh, there was a. Oh, scam out on that one. Peace.